In today's video, I'll teach you how to manage interest on Instagram account. First of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you would like to manage the interest, it is actually very simple. For example, if you're interested in some kind of Instagram videos and photos, what you have to do is simply tap on the three dots that you can see right over here on that particular post. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. If you're interested to see this kind of post, what you have to do is tap on this option interested. Likewise, you can also manage your interest by tapping on the option not interested. For that, tap on the three dots again. Now tap on this option not interested that you can see on the screen. Now you can also choose the reason if you want. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. So like this, you'll be able to make some posts not interested. Likewise, you'll also be able to manage the not interested posts. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner in order to access the menu. Now you'll be able to see the menu over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for content preferences. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the settings related with content preferences over here. If you want to manage the not interested posts, what you have to do is tap on this option not interested that you can see at fifth. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the posts that you're not interested in over here. If you want to remove them, you can simply tap on the option select. Now simply tap on the post that you would like to remove and tap on this option remove that you can see at the bottom. So like this, you'll be able to remove it too. Likewise, you can follow the same process for interested also. In the content preferences interface, you'll also be able to find the option for interested. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see all of your interested posts over here. If you want to remove them, tap on the option select, tap on the post and tap on the option remove. So like this, you'll be able to manage them. So that is how you manage interest on Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.